Spark SQL is a Spark module for structured data processing. Spark SQL provides efficient, high-speed, in-memory analytics engine to query your dataset. Not only does Spark's SQL API provide lightning-fast analytics, it also lets you access the database schema and data with only a few simple lines of code. Spark SQL brings the expressiveness of SQL to Spark, as it is component of Apache Spark that works with tabular data. Spark SQL acts as a distributed query engine. It provides data frames for programming abstraction, allows to query structured data in Spark programs, and can be used with platforms such as Scala, Java, R, and Python. You can also manipulate the data on SDFS or Hive. Spark SQL is developed as part of Apache Spark. Thus, it gets tested and updated with each Spark release and the best practices integrated. Spark SQL includes a cost-based optimizer, columnar storage, and code generations to make queries fast. At the same time, it scales to thousands of nodes and multi-hour queries using the Spark engine, which provides full mid-query fault tolerance. If your Spark application included SQL queries, then it will be first converted to data frame APIs. Transformations and actions in Spark SQL data frame APIs are included. As a first step, when you run a SQL query, it first checks if the SQL is syntactically correct and all the tables and columns are available in database as you specified. So Analyzer is responsible for resolving types and names of attribute in SQL queries. The optimizer is responsible for generating an optimized logical plan for the analyzed logical plan. Optimization is done by applying rules in batches. Each operation is represented as a tree node in Spark SQL. So when an analyzed plan goes through the optimizer, the tree is transformed to a new tree repeatedly by applying a set of optimization rules. The optimizer checks if this SQL has been used or executed earlier. So if it finds, then you are done. It will reuse the same plan of execution and display the result. This is known as soft parsing. In Spark SQL, the physical plan provides the fundamental information about the execution of the query. Physical plans are the ones that can actually be executed on a cluster. They actually translate the optimized logical plans into RDD operation to be executed on the data source.